Today we're going to talk about how to find your CPP statement. I've had so many people wondering where to find it. So we're going to go on the Canada.ca website to find it. I will not touch on the pension plan benefit in Quebec because it is another site for Quebecers that we have to go to. The Canada Pension Plan was created in April of 1965 and implemented in January of 1966 to provide a type of income benefit for retired workers over the age of 60, also providing benefits for disabled and surviving spouses. The CPP is a compulsory contribution made by your employer on your behalf. The employer contributes 5.95% of your salary to your CPP, and you also contribute 5.95% of your gross salary. Should you be self-employed, you have to contribute the employee portion and the employer's portion, which equals to 11.9%. Depending on when you start withdrawing from your CPP, the amounts are not the same. There is a reduction under the age of 65 equal to 0.6 per month, starting at the age of 60. And there is a bonus after the age of 65 of 0.7% per month, which could become interesting. Now, the amount that you're receiving at the age of 65 depends on how much you've been contributing and how long you have been contributing to the plan. So to find out how much you will receive at your retirement, you have to go on the Service Canada website to find your CPP statement. To do so, just type in your browser CPP statement. It will bring you here. You will end up under the Canada.ca website. You click on that statement of contribution. Then you scroll down all the way to My Service Canada button. If you have not created an account, you will have to create and register for an account. If you have already created an account under Service Canada, you can just click on the signing partners and go onto your account. Myself, I always use the signing partners because I find the bank has a very secured way of identifying the person. Of course, the CRA website has a multi-factor authentication to validate your identity with SMS. Then you end up here, all the way down here. Then you can find out some information. Under the Canada Pension Plan, if you scroll down here, application, payments, taxes, documents, click on that. And click on Canada Pension Plan, or you simply go down here, view my benefit estimates. This is what you're looking for to do a proper financial plan. It takes a while to get there. Myself here, I was unable to go in because I live in Quebec, so I have to go on Revenue Québec to get my statement, but you can go on your statement here. So I suggest that you verify the accuracy of the statement. Because I found some errors on my husband's contribution when he worked in Quebec for a while. So when you switch provinces, you have to make sure that all the entries are correct. The Quebec and the federal government have a system that they exchange the information, so you are not receiving from both jurisdictions. So you will be receiving, like myself, only from Revenue Québec. Bear in mind that the amount stipulated on your statement takes in consideration that you will keep on working and contributing to your CPP with the income you are making today. So do not believe that you will receive that amount even if you stop working today. If ever you have any questions, please don't be shy to send me an email at marlene@exponent.com. marlene@exponent.com. And thank you for watching.